Liquid in glass thermometer is very common temperature measuring instrument. It consists of a bulb, a glass tube and a working fluid. Top end of the glass tube is sealed. The thermometer bulb is filled with mercury. It is simple in construction, easy to handle, no skill required, no electricity required, high accuracy. But there are some disadvantages too. Its use for limited range. The range of mercury is from 35 degrees Celsius to 510 degrees Celsius. The care must be required at the time of taking measurement. Mercury in glass thermometer. So here is thermocouple. The thermocouple is based on Seebeck effect. So as shown in the figure, it consists of two dissimilar metals. They are forming a closed loop. The voltmeter is connected across these two metals. The one junction of this metal is exposed to the heat source and another is exposed to the cold source, that is to the atmosphere. Because of this temperature difference, a small EMF is get produced inside this loop. This EMF is measured by using voltmeter. When the difference in temperature is more, the EMF will generate also having more magnitude. So this is metal A and metal B. When the TH is the heat source and TC is the cold temperature source, voltmeter is connected as shown in the figure. The thermocouple is widely used in transformer to find temperature of oil respect to the ambient temperature. It is also used in different furnaces. Generally we are using PMMC instrument to measure the voltage. Thermocouple is most and more popular in industry. There are two laws also incorporated in between these laws of intermediate temperature and laws of intermediate metal, which help us to find wide temperature. Now, resistance temperature detector, that is mean RTD. It consists of non-inductive platinum element, insulator, stainless steel shell, hermetical seal covered to protect the platinum element. Lead wires are connected with this platinum filament. It's having positive temperature coefficient, means when temperature increases, the resistance of platinum filament is also increases. When temperature reduces, the resistance of the platinum filament also reduce. So that's why it is called PTC, positive temperature coefficient. In this, the platinum filament is covered in between this insulator to protect from the atmosphere. Now this is our thermistor. So thermistor works on negative temperature coefficient NTC. As the temperature increases, resistance goes down, and as the temperature decreases, resistance goes up. The thermal resistor consists of sintered mixture of metallic oxides such as manganese, cobalt, copper, iron, etc. They are available in desired shapes such as bead shape, disc shape, rod shape as per our requirement. Where we want to use small sensors, we can use this thermistor to measure the temperature. Thermistors are also more popular.